In this video, I will explain how the climate zones on Earth are changing and what this means for our planet. You will learn about the impacts of climate change on different regions and why it is important for all of us. Climate zones are areas on Earth that are characterized by specific weather conditions. These conditions depend on the geographical location and the amount of sunlight a region receives. There are various climate zones, such as tropical, temperate, and cold zones. Each of these zones has its own typical and precipitation patterns. The primary reason climate zones are changing is climate change, which is caused by the increase in greenhouse gases. These gases, such as carbon dioxide, accumulate in the atmosphere and cause the Earth to become warmer. As the Earth warms, the climate zones shift as well, becoming hotter, while others are getting colder. Tropical climate zones, known for their high temperatures and heavy rainfall, are becoming increasingly hotter. Temperatures in these regions are rising faster than in other zones. Additionally, rainfall patterns are changing, leading to longer dry periods and heavier rainfall. These changes not only affect the weather, wildlife, and plant life in these areas. In temperate zones, which have a mild climate with 4 seasons, climate change is also having an impact. Summers are becoming hotter, and winters are milder, which disturbs the ecological balance. These zones are also experiencing more frequent extreme weather events, such as storms or floods, affect not only nature, but also humans and their way of life. Cold climate zones located at high latitudes are particularly affected by climate change. In regions like the Arctic, ice masses are melting due to rising temperatures. This not only impacts the animals living in these regions, but also the global sea level. The melting of ice leads to a rise in sea levels in coastal regions. Climate change also has a significant effect on precipitation. In some regions, the amount of rainfall is increasing, leading to floods. In other regions, there is less rain, causing droughts and water scarcity. These changes are especially problematic for agriculture, regular rainfall. The changes in climate zones also have a large impact on wildlife. Many animals must leave their habitats because the conditions in their accustomed climate zones are changing. Some species can adapt to the new conditions, while others are endangered. The loss of habitats poses a significant threat to biodiversity. In many regions, climate change has already had negative impacts on agriculture. Higher temperatures and extreme weather events, such as droughts and floods, are affecting the growth of crops. This can lead to crop failures and threaten food production. Additionally, animals important to agriculture can also be affected by climate change. There are various measures that can be taken to stop or at least slow down climate change. One important action is reducing the emissions of greenhouse gases by burning fewer fossil fuels and switching to renewable energy sources. Protecting forests and other natural resources can stabilize the climate. Everyone can contribute by living more environmentally friendly lives and preserving nature.